So the combination cane is a very special cane. It comes in a nice little package. You open it up. This particular one is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections. The cane is made of a beechwood handle with your typical band on the top that you put over the cane when it's folded. The tubes, the sections are made of carbon fiber injected with epoxy hardener to make them a lot stronger. The rings at the joints, aluminum rings, protects the carbon fiber so that it doesn't fray. The joints have no wiggle at all. It almost feels like a straight cane. They come with the possibility of adjusting the cane to different sizes. So the top section extends by about 6 inches. So this particular one, you would twist where the ridges are just a little bit, and you can extend it and lock it again at the range, at the size that you want it. And this comes very handy for many reasons. This particular one that I have here goes all the way up to 63 inches. So it's quite versatile, and it can be used for different situations. For example, for those that are maybe hiking or find themselves in situations where you may want a longer cane, then you just extend your cane. For those that may want it shorter because they're indoors and just don't require such a long cane, you can reduce its length. For people who wear different type of shoes, for example, ladies who wear different type of shoes, if you're wearing high heels, you can adjust the cane according to the shoes that you're wearing. That's awesome. For mobility instructors who have students of different sizes, they don't have to carry around every size cane. You can have a cane that is folding and adjustable at the same time. For children, for example, children that are, still growing, you also have smaller canes. We have canes that range from 41 inches at its shortest to 47 inches at its longest. The next cane ranges from 47 inches all the way up to 53 inches. The next size cane goes from 51 inches to 57 inches. And then the longest cane of this combination type goes from 57 inches to 63 inches. So that people don't have to buy canes all the time for the children as they are growing.